Hi everybody, I'm Jen with Caketastic Cakes. I wanted to say thank you for those of you who have been watching my cake tutorials and my other baking videos. And if you've watched, you know that I make everything in my own kitchen and I do it using very common supplies and tools that are quality yet affordable, and I get them from Amazon. So the reason I'm making this video is to let you know that I've recently checked and a lot of the tools and supplies that I do use are going to be going on sale. So if you need any of these things, now is a great time to get them as Amazon Prime Days start tomorrow. They go from October 8th all the way through the 9th. And if you click the link, it will take you to my Amazon storefront where I list everything I use as well as reviews that I've made. So there's no surprises if you decide to buy anything. And it's amazon.com/shop/caketastic cakes. And if you do see that you're missing something or I'm missing something that you don't see or you need help with it, send me a message or a comment below. Let me know. Maybe I can help you providing a link so you can find it. And if you do buy something, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know what it is that you guys are interested in seeing. So be sure that you are signed up for Amazon Prime if you haven't already, and you will be all set to do some baking and saving.